Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zoom Workplace on an Android phone step by step. I'm demonstrating the Zoom Workplace interface on a computer, but the steps are very similar on an Android phone. First, open the Zoom Workplace app on your Android device and sign in to your Zoom account. On the home screen, you will see options such as New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Whiteboards. Tap New Meeting to start an instant meeting. You can choose whether to start the meeting with video on or off before joining. After the meeting starts, you will see the main meeting controls at the bottom of the screen. Tap Participants to view the people in the meeting and invite others. Tap Invite to share the meeting link through WhatsApp, Gmail, Messenger, or any other app on your Android phone. You can also use the chat feature to send messages during the meeting. Tap Share if you want to share your screen, photos, files, or other content from your Android device. For collaboration, tap Whiteboards to draw, write, and organize ideas during the meeting. Tap More to access additional features such as captions, meeting settings, background options, and other available Zoom features. To schedule a meeting in advance, return to the home screen and tap Schedule. Enter the meeting title, select the date and time, and save the meeting. You can then share the meeting invitation with anyone you want. Zoom Workplace on Android is useful for online classes, business meetings, presentations, interviews, and team collaboration. When you finish the meeting, tap End and choose End Meeting for all. That's how you can use Zoom Workplace on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.